Hi, I'm Danielle, Head of Customer Success at Ortto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build and use filters in the Ortto platform. Understanding how to use filters is fundamental to success with Ortto, as they're used to build campaigns, reports, and audiences, and can be really helpful when getting a quick snapshot of a specific audience or segment. I'm here in the demo account for my fake business picture. Starting on the People tab and clicking on Filter, you'll see we have a few categories. I can filter for audiences, people, and organization fields and activities connected to my data sources, in this case HubSpot, Recurly, and Salesforce, as well as system and custom activities. Within each category, there are a number of different filters and conditions that you can use to drill down even further and find the contacts you need. The conditions available are going to vary depending on the category and the type of input. So for example, if we look at a filter in the person category and select first name, the conditions available are is or is not, starts with or ends with, contains or does not contain, less than, greater than, between, has no value, or has any value. However, if I select the birthday field, the system is going to recognize this as a date input and suggest filter conditions related to time and age. For example, relative filter conditions, as well as absolute tied to a specific date value. Filtering against activities is going to open up its own different set of conditions. So for example, if I select opened email, I can then choose the options related to this activity. So whether it has or has not occurred, when it first occurred, when it last occurred, or frequency and time. Selecting one of these is going to allow me to drill down even further and create nested conditions. So for example, if I click on has or has not occurred, I can use when to specify how many days ago an activity has occurred. So I might want to see users who have opened an email in the last 30 days. The where is going to allow me to segment even further and filter against specific attributes related to this activity. So for example, I might only want to look at opened email activities related to a specific email name, campaign name, device, or city. There might be some cases where you want to build more complex conditions. Say I want to identify all the users that are either in my active leads or active trial users audience. I'll select as a member of audience. Clicking on the plus sign will then allow me to select multiple from the list. Once I've selected my options, I can easily toggle between the and the or, depending on the filter I'm trying to create. Once you've got your first filter sorted, you can add additional filters and start to reference different data points against each other by using condition groups. To do this, click the plus next to your filter and start adding your additional criteria. If I wanted to find active leads and trial users who've been active for a while, I could add sign up first occurred more than 14 days ago and layer that in. You can add more condition groups as needed by clicking the plus sign next to your condition. From here as well, I can also toggle between the and the or to create more complex condition groups depending on the specific segment I'm trying to surface. And that's all you need to know to get started. Filters are also part of campaigns and reports in Ortto, and there are some differences in the way that they're used. But understanding the basics that I've described today will be more than enough to help you find the contact you're looking for. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and happy filtering.